Okay, so that was the problem. The drain was not running. So as you can see, it is running. It is running now. I haven't connected it yet. It was blocked. Let me show you what we took out of this machine. Let me quickly show you. So this is what we took out of this machine. Some of it you have already thrown away. So all these things, yeah. So all these things, they came from this machine. And now the drain was not running. Initially we thought that it's only the block. Then we removed the block, then the drain was still not running. And then after that, we tested the drain separately using our multimeter. See this multimeter here. So this is an inverter motor pump. It's not a normal pump. The one that is 220 AC. This one it's controlled like a PLDC motor. Yeah. So we measured the windings on this one. Actually, on any motor that is like this, you should measure across all the windings. You should measure the same resistance for each and every winding, in between winding. If it's winding A, B, C, then between A and B, between A and C, between B and C, between B and A. Yeah. So you should measure the same reading across all. As you can see here, it uses 3 wires. You can see the 3 wires there going into the motor. So now it's running, you can see. And here it is spinning. So I think now we have won. So let me show you what was wrong with it. I'm going to show you quickly after I stop the machine and flip it over. I'm going to show you what it was. So you see these machines, they are a bit tricky to fix. But sometimes we are able to fix them. Not every time, but some of the times, depending on the problem. This one, at least we were able to track. The issue was with the wiring of this one. So initially, this was actually a call out. So I asked the machine, the owner, that is it a Bosch, is it a direct drive, or I mean, is it an inverter? Does it use an inverter motor? So they said no. So I thought it uses a normal pump. So I actually brought a normal pump, but unfortunately it was not going to work on this one. And then I was now a bit frustrated because I was thinking I was not going to be able to fix this one. But when I tested the pump itself using the meters, so that it was fine. So now I was stumped. So I tried to measure the voltage coming in through the wires. So one of the wires was bringing in a reasonable amount of voltage. I think it was I can't remember. It was something like 18 volts across one of the 2 wires. And then across one of the wires, it was around 7. So from there, I figured, something is wrong. So that's when I ended up tracing the wires. I initially thought there was a breakage here on this one, but I peeled it and checked, it was fine. But when I flipped it over, I traced, actually the wire was broken inside. It's difficult to see if it's broken inside. If it's broken inside and the insulation is still intact, it's difficult to determine unless you are using a multimeter, of course. These are the technician's eyes. These are the eyes. So actually I've got 3 eyes. This is my 3rd eye, the all-seeing eye. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So now it's counting down. Previously it was not going below 9 minutes. It starts at 18, so now it's at 8. You can see it was at 9, now it's at 8. So I think it's gonna be fine. So let me stop it and reassemble the pump, and then I'll test with water to see if everything's gonna be as supposed to be. Okay, so what's happening here now? This is what I did. I had to cover this point because there is a PC board underneath here. You can see there's a PC board here, you can see. So I had to put some towels because I had removed pipes. The drain pump is removed, you can see it's supposed to be here. So I had to remove it, and I knew there would be some piece of water, so that's why I put these towels here. So now I'm just gonna reassemble everything Then we test with water. Then we test with water while I'm attending another one. There's another one here. There's a dishwasher that I still have got to check. So let me close up this one quickly. Okay, so we have fitted everything. You can see the drain is fitted. So now we're gonna test with water. Let me remove this this towel. Okay, so the towel was for protecting this PC board here because I didn't want some water to spill onto it. Okay, so now it is filling with water. It's filling with water. You can see the water is coming in, coming in. So let's wait for it to fill up and then start to wash. Okay, so now it's washing. You can see the water there. It's agitating. So I think this one is fine. The spin we saw, the drain pump is running, so I think it's fine.